Hello and welcome back to the Code Shop channel. In today's video, we're exploring a powerful feature in Odoo 18 SaaS app, Deliver Content by Email. This tool helps you automatically send product-specific emails to customers, such as invoices, warranty information, or other customized templates. It's a great way to save time and ensure clear, consistent communication throughout the sales process. So let's walk through how to configure and use this feature step by step.
First, we need to make sure the feature is enabled. Go to the SaaS app, then Configuration, Settings, and under the Product Catalog section, you'll see the option called Deliver Content by Email. Make sure it is checked. Once it is, click Save to apply the setting. This will activate the feature and let you attach documents to specific products, which will then be sent automatically when the invoice is validated. Before we move on, just a quick note. To actually send the email to the customer, you'll need to have an outgoing mail server properly configured in your Odoo database. We won't be covering mail server setup in this video, but we might take a closer look at it in a future one. For now, let's continue with product configuration. Next, let's assign an email template to a product. Go to the products menu and open the item you want to configure. For this demo, I'll select Corner Desk Right Set. Once you're inside the product form, click on the Accounting tab. Since we enabled the Deliver Content by Email option earlier, you'll now see a new field here to select an email template. For this example, I'll choose an invoice email template that includes a friendly message for the customer. If you want to preview or make changes to the template, just click the internal link next to it. That will open the email template where you can view and customize the body and any attached documents. You can also create or upload your own template. For example, you might want to include warranty details, user manuals, or product specs, whatever you want your customers to receive along with the invoice. Once that's done, your product is ready to automatically deliver that content via email. Alright, now let's go through the full sales flow to see how this feature works in action. Head over to Orders, Quotations, and click New to create a new one. First, select the customer. For this demo, I go with Azure Interior. It's important to make sure the customer has a valid email address saved in their contact info. Otherwise, Odoo won't be able to send the email. Now let's add the product we configured, Corner Desk Right Set. Once everything looks good, go ahead and click Confirm. With the sales order confirmed, the next step is delivery. Click the Delivery Smart button and then hit Validate to confirm the product has been shipped. Now it's time to create the invoice. Let's head back to the sales order, click Create Invoice, choose Regular Invoice, and then confirm it. So as you validate the invoice, Odoo will automatically send the email using the template that's assigned to the product. If you look on the right-hand side, you will see the invoice preview. Also, you can see the actual email message appear in the customer's chatter, including the content from the email template and the PDF invoice attached. This confirms that the email was generated and sent by Odoo. And if your outgoing mail server is properly configured, the customer will also receive this email directly in their inbox. And that's how the Deliver Content by Email feature works in Odoo 18. It's a simple but powerful tool to help you automate document delivery. No more manual follow-ups or forgetting to send product files. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more Odoo tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.